Ba't lahat ng tao naka-inbi? Makita.
Let's move there.
Okay, in 10 seconds, everything within the grid will be fried like fucking bacon. Hex extraction detected.
Tatago lang to eh. Ayaw parinig.
Smell that? I smell something. You smell something burning? Yeah, oh fuck, look at that. It's your legs. Stay the fuck
Need ka
away
lang
from the
din.
shrinking grid, okay?
Lalabas na. Ayun na, no? Basta siya din.
Nawala, nagkalasan.
Sa taas.
Teardrop op completed. Reward granted. Bonus target activated. Track
Ah,
down
nasa
and eliminate
taas.
previous target's ally.
Nag-glide out.
Oh.
Alright, you fucking chicken shit pussies. The grid is on them.
Nag-glide out.
Tick-tock.
Harap naman ng mga natira.
Spawns will be shut down.
Ayaw magpa-sa ako. Tinan mo.
All objectives
Ginawa mo
completed.
pa akong grade
Bonus
1.
reward
Grade 2 na
granted.
ako dul. Alam ko yan kung paano bumatil ng nag-zip. Ako
Enemy
naman.
initiated hex extraction in OCO.
Gawin pa naman akong grade 1 guys.
Nag-frame drop talaga ako sa lugar na.
Ang dami kasi. Ang daming something. Actually parang ako nga din.
Ito.
So, prepare for
No,
tighter
dito no.
quarters.
Ito.
Let's move there.
Attention all zeros, the grid overload zone's approaching.
Danger. You have become a target.
Ala. Ito yung pinapangarap kong hold up. $66.
My idol. Uy. Where's my enemy? Nandito. Nagpato ka na dito. Ayun na.
Slow your roll, you spineless shit monkey. The grid is on hold. This is a good time for you to do some of those breathing exercises to deal with your anxiety. Jesus Christ on a pogo stick! Enemy hex extraction detected.
Dito ang ismo to doon sa lugar na yun. Ang lag.
Morons not know how to defend an extractor? Listen up, zeros. Discount on
May nauuna na sa ano. Gagi, may nauuna na dito.
limited time.
Ayun nga yung nakatarget sa akin. Oo, nasa akin. Tabi ko.
Hindi, iba to. Iba to.
Tatlo to.
In
Your team has
about 10
successfully
seconds,
eliminated the
everything
enemy squad.
within the grid will be fried like a batch of overcooked bacon.
Puti ka.
Smell something burning? Stay the fuck away from the shrinking grid.
Hit. Paano wala yung render?
Hit ulit.
Putol yung paa. Lilipad yan. Putol yung paa nun.
Where are we?
Hostile hex extraction in Stork City. Go steal it.
Ngayon ito.
Nandito. Ito, ata. Andyan.
Whirlaloo, whirlaloo. Whirlaloo, laloo, laloo. Wala magbubuhay yata yun.
Alright, catch your breath.
Namatay sa
Walang
nila.
paa yun eh.
Take a station.
Abang na ako man.
Good overload zone is on hold. Loadout delivery promotion time. Yes, first come, first serve.
Ito? Hindi pa rin siya nakakuha ng pa. Hindi marunong dumiskate paano siya makakaglig.